Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will cover error handling in Web Development Studio, WD Studio, focusing on how to effectively manage errors to enhance the reliability of your applications. We'll explore common error types, best practices for error handling, and provide code examples to illustrate these concepts. Overview of error handling in WD Studio. Error handling is the process of responding to and managing errors that occur during the execution of a program. Proper error handling improves the user experience, ensures data integrity, and aids in debugging. Common types of errors. 1. Syntax errors, mistakes in the code syntax that prevent the program from running. 2. Runtime errors, errors that occur during the execution of the program, such as trying to access a null object. 3. Logical errors, errors that occur when the program runs without crashing, but produces incorrect results. Best practices for error handling. 1. Use try-catch blocks, wrap your code in try-catch blocks to gracefully handle exceptions. 2. Log errors to a file or monitoring system for later analysis. 3. User-friendly messages, provide clear and helpful error messages to users without exposing sensitive information. 4. Validate input, always validate user inputs to prevent errors from occurring. 5. Graceful degradation, ensure that the application can continue to function, even in a limited capacity, when an error occurs. Example code. Below is an example of error handling in a simple WD Studio web application using JavaScript. JavaScript // function to fetch user data. Async function fetch user data, user ID. Try / validate the input. If type of user ID equals number. Throw new error, invalid user ID. It must be a number. Const response equals await fetch, https://api.example.com/users/$user ID. / check if response is OK. If response.OK. Throw new error, http error. Status, $response.status. Const data equals await response.json. Console.log, user data retrieved successfully, data. Return data. Catch, error. / log error to console. Console.error, error fetching user data, error. / display a user-friendly message. Alert, we encountered an error while fetching user data. Please try again later. / example usage. Fetch user data, 123, / correct usage. Fetch user data, ABC, / incorrect usage to demonstrate error handling. Explanation of the code. 1. Input validation, we check if the user ID is a number. If not, we throw an error. 2. Fetch API, we attempt to fetch user data from an API. If the response is not OK, example 404 or 500, we throw an error. 3. Error handling, we catch any errors that occur during the execution. The error is logged to the console for debugging purposes, and a user-friendly alert is displayed to the user. 4. Graceful degradation, instead of crashing the application, it informs the user of the issue while still allowing the rest of the application to function. Conclusion. Effective error handling is crucial for building robust web applications. By implementing practices such as input validation, try-catch blocks, and user-friendly error messages, you can enhance your application's reliability and user experience. Feel free to adapt the provided example to fit your specific use case and expand upon it as needed.